Hello guys, welcome to DroidCrunch and I'm Rakesh Kapoor, and in this video we're going to talk about Nifty PM. Nifty PM is an amazing tool and it can collaborate with your team. You can manage your projects. It's like Asana, like Jira. You can compare it with Trello and many other project management softwares, and it's a wonderful tool and you can get the lifetime plan on AppSumo. So just check it out and please follow this video till the end, and I will show you how you can use it, and this will be my fair review. So let's get started. Hello guys, so yeah, we have reached the website of Nifty PM and it's an amazing tool, and you can see that it has been awarded #1 project management app by G2 Cloud. And talking about the reviews, you can see the testimonials of the people who have talked about this tool, and this have said very wonderful words about this tool. And Stephen says Nifty is a product that excels in many client environments. It's easy to use and makes it a powerful tool for managing our client portfolio. And you can see it has been awarded by many times by G2 itself. And there are some case studies by some big companies, by IBM itself, by Hammer Splash, by IQM, and you can also start it for free. You can check out the trial and you can have a look like how it works, all that, and you can balance your workloads. You can manage your projects, you can add projects, you can add your team. And the most important thing about any project management software is the ease of use. Like if you have used ClickUp, you can see that there are a whole bunch of features and you get confused like what you have to use. Actually, you want to use sprints, you have grids, you have Kanban, you have boards, you have everything in ClickUp. But that's quite confusing for most of them, like for most of the users, for the beginners actually. So many tend to use Trello and simple Kanban softwares, and so as to optimize their tasks, so as to optimize their workload and collaborate with their teams. But when I came up with Nifty, I saw that it's very easy to use, and its UI is quite amazing. And let me show you quickly the UI of this tool. I have created a trial account to show you. So here it is. I have created a project workspace, that's DroidCrunch, you can see. And in the overview you can see all my demo projects and graphics. When you create any project, it asks you to just like Jira, it asks you for which purpose you want to create the project, actually for graphics, for developing, for anything. Like there are bunch of options to create, and it gives you the required features for that actual project. So yeah, I had selected graphics, so I have the graphics environment in my project. And in workloads, I can see all the workload listings. These are by default. You can invite your members, you can do everything. Like here's the task, here's the calendar. I have to configure it. Let's select it. You can filter by assignees. I haven't any assignee, so you can assign users to it, right? And all the tasks you can see right here. And when you click on any task, you can see subtasks, you can see milestones, dependency, due date, tags, reminders, story point, start date, recurring, and everything. And there's also files. There's custom fields as well. You can add custom fields. It can be a time custom field, a field of text, field of drop down, field of number, field of URL, field of phone number, field of email. So there are a whole bunch of field options that you can add to your task actually. And in Asana, it's not a free feature. You have to upgrade your account to use this feature, to have custom fields. And in this tool, you can get this on AppSumo for the lifetime, and there are many features. Here you can see the lifetime deal is going on AppSumo, and you can view all the plans details, like it's lifetime access to the Nifty business plan actually, and you don't have to pay like monthly fees. And here all the features included, like team chat. That's wonderful tool, you can chat with your team inside the app itself, and you can have overviews, portfolios, workloads, custom fields, Google sign-in, SSO, and open API, milestone discussions, unlimited guests and clients, unlimited active projects. That's an interesting thing. And before that, there's also some couple of options, features that you get. So it's a wonderful tool. You can get the lifetime deal on AppSumo, and I have left a link in the description so you can check out the tool. If you buy from that link, I will get some commission, but it will not affect you to pay any extra penny, and this will be a win-to-win deal. And yeah, so this software is completely insane, I would say. You can check out some of the videos, tutorials, if you are not having much idea about any custom feature that you are required to. There is also interestingly their intercom connected, so their support is quite awesome. Possibly you are having an issue with a feature, then you can just quickly send them a message and they will reply you as soon as possible. They also have whole bunch of knowledge base, so you can search on their articles. So you can get a demo, and you can have a meeting with them, so that's a wonderful thing as well. So this was all about Nifty. I hope you enjoyed this video, and there's a lot to explore about this project management software. It's a big tool, and I cannot disclose all the facts and features about this tool, because if I create a video like about Nifty tutorial, it will be like a whole 1 hour video, and I don't want to do that. If you want, you can leave a link in the description and leave a comment, and I will possibly create a video for that too. But for now, let's wrap up this video. Check out the link in the description and let me know how you feel about this software, and please like, share and subscribe, and don't miss to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new updates about the videos. Till then, bye bye and have a wonderful day.